guys. Hello guys.
Is that a remix?
Hey Flail. Barbecue lighting gel. Why isn't the lid on? Probably because it's run out. I must not use it. You don't use fire right now. It's wet. Yeah, it's wet right now. Logs here. Eat logs. And they've been chopped up. So logs has been trying to chop up. But got the big axe over there and stuff. We don't do that though. So the group does that. Well. It's red axe down there. The little tiny one, the big one like there. I'm not gonna touch it. Look at the sunflower. You have a sunflower? Check up here. Ooh! Ooh! Oh! Why is it so humid? Grass seeds. Love the charcoal. Charcoal, why is it not coal? Because charcoal is useful. You need to do it for or something. Check over there. Why is that doing that? The cherries. Cherries. Don't eat them! Why? Because it's a bird cherry tree we have in the garden. Oh! Okay. I heard what you're saying, but, don't eat berries. Especially if you find them in the middle of nowhere. Why are there cans? There's a big spider in that thing. Look at this. Yeah, it's a nice look. Oh well. Oh wow. Wood gloves there. But to be able to touch those. So jug. Got a little cup right here. Hey Fluffy. Yeah, I'm here. I want you to go and fill up that jug. Okay, I'll go fill the jug right now. There we go. That sound is perfect. I love that sound. Watch it off. Time to water some. Oh, it's so heavy. Give me that. I'll break it. Maybe I can go and use the gazebo. What do you want this for, Flail? I wanted this so you can walk somewhere. Oh, okay. Well, I'm just on up the wood in a minute. Right, I'm going to water these sunflowers then. Where are these? Where's the sunflowers? Right, it's these ones over here. Ow. Let's go to the gazebo. It's getting wet out here. I need to go. I can pop a chair real quick. Oh, that's easily. That's the broken one. I want that one. The broken one's fine for now. Oh. There we go. Nice chair. This chair. It's luckily ugly. Whoa. It's broken now. Go over there. Got a different chair. Sounds so stupid. If they're not broken, you're actually a good chair. You better not break as well. But I almost fell through that. So what are we gonna do now? Probably just chill here for a minute. Just explore here. I'm just gonna chill out here. These plants give me good wood. Yeah. Is this thing still too long? No, it was dead. I'm surprised. I've just got a plug cable for my page. Luckily, these are underneath the shelter. At least under the shelter. So it's not gonna get soaking wet. Also, a rubbish bag. So ask what kind of rubbish bag are there. Also, no one over there. Pot of charcoal there. At least we got a gazebo. Take some rain. Hate rain. Why is it have to rain now? I hate this. Rain. Maybe down there, there's a metal bar down there. It's my birthday. I did a couple of days ago. Oh no, it's like a year ago since I made. Oh whoa! Bro, look. No, look. I want you to have fun the storm at some point. Did you just say for the storms? Yes. I hate when the storms. I hate when the storms. Let me stay down. Get it. No. No. No need to be such a baby. It's not for the storm right now. It's raining. If you can hear it, I'll stay quiet for right now. You can hear it, can't you? It can rain. Perfect rain. So, I want to get that car. No. It's too wet for that. Is it? No, it's not. Yeah, it isn't. I'm staying down here. You're not getting me out of this place. Fine. Whatever. Let's get this princess car. Oh, wait, why is this thing falling over? snow. I'm gonna drag it really quick first. Got it. Whoa! I'll get up here. There we go. Right, Fluffy, if you want to try it, you can. No! I'm mucking out here. I hate it out there. I said it's not going to thunderstorm right now. Oh, fine. Get out. Hide here. I'm gonna go into the driver's seat. Get away, Daniel. The car is not working properly. It's getting heavier. I don't think it's really worth going out in the rain. But it's supposed to be raining anyway. Let's go. Let me go real quick. First, let me just start up this thing. It's not starting up, guys. There we go. Come on, no. I'm going for a short trip, I guess. I'm not going for very long because it's wet. It's raining very heavily now. Well, sorry for that if you get soaking. Hit you. Oh well, it's soaking. Oh well, it's really soaking. Oh god, I think we should get in. No, creeper. Oh no. Heavy rain, heavy rain. Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh wow, it's very rainy. Oh yes. Oh Jesus! Soaking. Oh Jesus! Oh. I'm scared. I'm gonna hide under the table. Okay, I'll stop eating since I'll face my fears. Facing my fears! I didn't go in the hair, I don't want to get wet. So. Oh wow! Oh wow, it's raining like crazy out here. Oh Jesus! Oh wow! Oh no! The camera's getting a bit dirty wet now. Oh no! Oh Jesus, it's raining. I'm gonna go out. No, I'm not gonna go out in that. Oh god, it's flooding. Oh Jesus! Creeper! 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 I'm staying down here, I told you. Fine. I can watch actually. Oh, that's quite nice actually. Oh wow, it's really raining over there. It's chirping off the gazebo. At least this thing's waterproof. I think we're going to be like this for quite a while, so yeah. No, 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 no. Ow. Let's sit down here then. Oh well, thunderstorms, finally. W, McDonald's. Oh, Jesus. Crazy. Jesus. Is it going to calm down by any time? I don't think so. So, why are we not using that jug? Oh no, it's raining. Oh no, it's raining. It's the end of the gazebo, guys. Even though it's starting to get absolutely soaking out here. Flail? Flail? Where are you? I'm down here, idiot. You baby fluffy you. Hey, don't call me a baby. I hate those. Whatever, baby. You gotta sit down here. Ah, come on. So I'm gonna do more thunderstorms. Oh, have thunder. Because it doesn't even help. It's probably because it's got slightly windy. Great, the clothes are wet. I hate when I get wet clothes. I know, I hate it. Just don't you to feel the amount of pain when you put your clothes out to dry and it all of a sudden rains. And you're off at work or something like that. It's really annoying. Like, look, we've got our clothes out. Oh gosh, look at it. It's soaking everywhere. Yeah, it's that. How do we go in? How do we get in? We're just in our back garden, stupid. Oh yeah. Oh Jesus. Thunderstorms! Oh yeah, my favourite weather! And I like sunny weather as well. I like thunderstorms as well. Shut up, Tom! So annoying. Oh gosh. Why's a Romeo down there? Oh wow! It's very rainy. Look at this. More thunderstorms. More rain. We need this rain anyway. For the heat wave that's going to come very, very, very soon. Like in like 10 days, I think. Can't wait. I hate thunderstorms! I'm just scared I'm going to hide down here again. Baby! You don't call me a baby! Baby! I don't want to get wet, so... Oh wow. Disgusting. Also very wet. I think I need to get in. Oh yes! We'll be on here for 5 more minutes. Paw Patrol, I'll go to the electrics. Oh no! Oh no, it's the electrics! Oh no! It's gonna explode! You stupid? No. It's been plugged off by the wall. How much the snow? It goes all the way down over there. Oh, wow, it's so fun. Didn't expect this, guys. Geez, weather can be really unpredictable sometimes. Stop, creeper! No. Run, creeper! It's not time! Yes, it's perfect weather. Well, that's weekly speaker's toes. Toast. Toast. That Bluetooth speaker is toast. Beach Boy Ocean has left it out. I brought the gazebo. I brought the stage. Okay, you brought it. So I think you all brought the chairs. I brought the charcoal. And we're gonna have a nice barbecue a couple of days ago. And then a couple of days. Damn it! It's raining and then we cancelled on the barbecue. Jeez. Can someone just... Oh god. Oh, here it goes again. Oh well. Oh, here it goes again. Why is it so misty on this side? Thunderstorms! Yes, rain! Rain! I love rain! But I love sunshine more though. Oh! Lightning! Oh, wow. Oh, super loud. That's loud as hell. Jesus! That was like the best. Creeper? Yeah? I think we should go in. We can't go in because we have to go out there otherwise. Whoa! It's so loud, I can't hear anything. I ate this. Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! I'm hiding. Stay down here. I'm gonna stay down here. I bet you $10 to go out in that rain. Deal! What, yeah? So that's a deal, sir. Oh, Jesus! Get on the table, guys. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. More lightning! Oh, you can go down here now. Hey, I can go down here now. Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus! Jesus! Oh, phone's gonna go, this is gonna break, it's gonna break, no! Jesus! Whoa, 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 whoa! We need to go inside now! Whoa! Yeah, I think we need to go in. Whoa! I don't know if you should go in though. How are we gonna get in? It's soaking wet out there. Jesus. Whoa, lightning! Lightning! Lightning with the thunder! 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 Wow! No, fly off! I'm fine, don't worry! I'm fine! Oh god, it's soaking! Everything's spawning! We need to go in now! Oh, no, let's stay here for another minute. Oh, I hate it here! I'm soaking now. I'll protect you, Flayo, and Creeper. Thank you. You're welcome. Whoa, you can't hurt me properly anymore. Whoa! Whoa! This is insane! We need to go in now! No! I want to go in now! No, just kidding, I don't want to go in. Ah, Seymour! Oh, Seymour! Whoa. This is absolutely insane. I think we have to stay out here until it calms down. Yeah, I think so as well, but I'm absolutely soaking. Yeah, I am too, and I don't think it's going to be calming down anytime soon. Yeah, I don't think it's going to be calming down anytime soon. So does that mean we're going to have to run? I just saw lightning, by the way. Help! Help us! Help us! Help! 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 We need someone to help us! No! It's raining out here! Jesus! What's this? Yes! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! You can't even hear me! I'm sorry if you can't hear me, guys. I hate this! Okay, who cares? Who cares? I'm gonna hide down here, by the way. It's too wet. Oh, gee. Oh wow, it's really getting wet now. It's flooding, we need to move. We need to move! No, we should be fine. No, I'm not fine with the thunderstorms chasing me. This is the worst! This is the worst, I hate this! I'm not just kidding, I love this weather. Soaking. I think we're going to have to make a run for it. Yeah. We'll just stay here for a couple more minutes and then calm down. We have got to make a run for it. I think we're going to need to run because look at this. This is flooding. It's flooding. We need to get back in now. Look at that jug. It's filled up a little bit. Oh wow! Look at the flooding. Oh wow! We need to go into fight it. Whoa! That was awesome! Awesome thunder. I hate this. This is so awesome. Oh my god. This is awful. Help me! Just kidding, not me. Help me! I hate this. It's so wet out here. I think we need to go in. Well, we'll see you guys inside. Bye.